We're gonna use my lunch break to wash my car. Step 1, change. Now time to wash the car. Let's go. We got water. Alright, let's get the car into position. Alright, car's in position. Let's get going. Let's wash the car. Now we gotta dump out this water because it's got all the dirt and grins from the wheels. So here's a little trick. I get this mop that can suck up the soap and water. That way I can just wash quicker and I can reach on top of the car. Started to rain on us, so that means we're just gonna give this a quick splash and we'll let it air dry. Hose kink, not good. So we're done. It's raining, so it's perfect. It'll air dry. Gotta get changed, get back to work.